Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Choose your business entity, sole proprietorship, LLC, or S corporation. That decision affects which forms you file and how profits are taxed, so confirm your election early. Keep organized records of income, expenses, and receipts with dates and amounts. Use accounting software or a ledger and backup monthly. Mark key deadlines: April 15 individual return and quarterly payments on Form 1040 ES. And remember, employer payroll returns may have different due dates. Good records reduce audit risk and simplify deductions. Report profit or loss on Schedule C attached to Form 1040 for sole proprietorships. List gross receipts, cost of goods sold, and expenses by category. Claim the home office deduction when space is regularly used and exclusive for business. Calculate using simplified or actual methods and measure square footage precisely. Issue Form 1099 NEC for independent contractors paid 00 or more per year and keep copies. Remember to calculate self-employment tax at 3% on net earnings and enter it on Schedule SE. Pay estimated taxes quarterly using Form 1040 ES to avoid penalties. Use prior year income to estimate if current year is uncertain. File electronically for faster processing and quicker refunds or notices, and consider professional e-file services if you run payroll or handle many 1099s. Keep backup of filed returns, receipts, and payroll records for at least 3 years or longer for assets and employment tax records. If you owe, set up an IRS payment plan to manage cash flow and avoid escalating penalties.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.